What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a continuation of doing the Mini. So what I want to do is just tidy up again. Cleaning all the time, but just tidy up so I can move the Mini out a bit, get it turned around so I can work on the passenger side. So I'm hoping in this video I will have the full interior of the Mini done. So I just want to get door cards in, seats in, carpet all hoovered clean, dashes in. I want to make sure everything is buttoned up in the interior, fix all the interior panel bits and all, make sure it's in behind all the rubber so nothing leaks. So I just want the interior done by at least the middle or the end of this video, because then that's one part of the car that's finished and I don't need to worry about it then. Then obviously I just have to wait for my brother when he has time to spray my arches and stuff. Like, it's literally done guys. I got the bonnet on, it opens and closes perfect. The doors open and close perfect. I need the boot lid and the spoiler on. And then it's just a front windscreen seal and a few bits and pieces. I ordered a few bits for mini spares as well. I got new wiper arms and blades because the ones that I had on it were really old and sprayed black and tacky, so it's good to have new parts for the car. I also had to figure out a way of aligning the headlights. They're a bit better than they were before because they were a bit loose and they just wobbled everywhere. So guys, I'm going to shut up blabbering on. I'm going to shoot over and get this garage clean so we can work, and hopefully in the next few weeks, because look at this weather. Today is one of them days that you really want to be out in a nice car on your day off that you've built yourself in over 10 years, that you keep building, because when you buy a project car, it's supposed to be a project for, yeah, not forever, but buy a Mini and it's a project forever guys. So yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to shoot on and do the cleaning now, so enjoy. Pushy. Say when. Go for it. Where's my hand up? Yeah. Go again, quick. You know now, love? Yeah. When's the revving so high? There, the revving so. Oh, it's that thing. Good booze that part. No. Ah, I know why. Right. There's a pipe that used to be for the brake. Here, shove that in it. What?
Pipe for the servo?
Yeah. What do you mean shove that in it, Aaron?
Shove that in, there's an over holes in it.
It's not a finger over. Just that, isn't it? Hold it. Yeah, stick your finger on it and see if that. I think I need to.
You say when you're ready.
Right, come on. So guys, that was an unexpected visit in the garage today. Aaron said he was going to pop up for a bit, but my mate Al Vickery brought up his estate slash van. It's a club and estate with van panels that Aaron done himself. The van does need a lot of work. I was thinking about buying it for myself and doing another conversion in it, maybe a rear engine conversion in it, but I wouldn't want to cut up the rear floor as it's absolutely perfect. So he is selling it. It's cheap the way it is. He wanted $2.5 grand for it, but I told him bodywork it, paint it, have it rolled. All the subframes are rebuilt in it. The thing's perfect. The roll's perfect. Has 10-inch brakes on the front. So I told him he should bodywork it and paint it and sell it for $4 to $5 grand. Someone out there looking for something that needs an engine, and they have an engine out of a rotten Mini that they have. So yeah, maybe that's another build for us to do. I didn't get my interior in because Aaron came down late. Yeah, plans backfire, guys. Don't forget, you don't get everything done when you want to get it done. Shit fails, you know, plans never work out all the time. I'm happy with what I got done. The garage is clean around where I need to work on my Mini. Aaron has room to paint the stuff. He said he'll try and get it done during the week. I have a fella organised to do the suspension setup. He's going to fully set up the suspension properly. He's a rally expert, so he knows how to get the wheels in proper alignment. I always had the problem with the Mini was you'd put the foot down and it'd want to wander left or right. It's because one of the wheels is more in front. So if you overview the car and you look over it, the right hand wheel is more forward than the left hand wheel, so the car is going to want to drag that way, and the camber was a bit all over the place. But my mate Paul Hickey from HRE Engineering set it up and it was really good, but something went, there's a ball joint gone in the car, so that's going to have to be redone. So I'm going to do the both sides and then get it fully set up for the road. There's not that much left. As you heard, I threw a battery in it and she fired up straight away, so I'm happy with that. All that really needs to be done with the car is to put the window seal in the front, fit all my door handles and the arches and the front lip and the boot lid. I ordered stuff from Mini Spares. It's not here yet. I'm hoping it's not going to take an age with this whole Brexit stuff. It's an absolute pain in the arse. But yeah guys, enough talking from me. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate this for being here. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed. 3,500 subscribers already, guys. It's a major accomplishment for me. I never thought I'd get over 500 from the videos ages ago. But yeah guys, if you do enjoy the videos, please subscribe, hit that like button, the bell notification, keep it up to date with the builds. So hopefully in the next video I'll be bolting everything into the car and onto the car, and hopefully bringing it on a spin. So guys, see you next time, and thanks for watching. Peace out.